Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your brake hold function in your 2021 Acura TLX. So first things first, you have to make sure that your seatbelt is on. So I'm gonna go do that right now. Put on my seatbelt. Safety's first, right? Okay, so once you do have your seatbelt on, you have an option to, of course, activate your brake hold function. So let me go click on it right now. And as you can see right there, it would indicate that the brake hold function is on the center screen right there. And you also have it right there at the top left corner saying that this feature is on. So you might be wondering, what is a brake hold function? So let me go tell you guys. So brake hold function is, for example, if you are in drive. So let me go put this car on drive right now, or in drive, and you have your foot fully depressed on the brake pedal. What the car will do for you is the car will just stay in brake, so you could just let go. I'm about to let go right now, and the car will just hold itself for you. As you can see, I'm not on the brakes, and I'm currently on drive right now. Car's not moving. And yeah, so this function is definitely convenient if you're in like a stop and go traffic, if you're in a hill, and it makes driving easier for you. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this quick tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Acura, and thank you guys for watching.